I just created a very good content that went viral, and that's helped my views for a while until either I get the remaining 1,500 watch hour between now and the next 7 days, or I'm going to start again. Current challenge I am in, I'm going to talk about the process and what came out of it. So if that is something you want to see in the future, please do well to subscribe to the channel, watch this video to the end. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Thelma, and today I want to talk about my struggles here on YouTube. So if you can't relate, don't look at me that way, but if you can, do well to keep watching, because in this video I'm going to talk about what I struggled with, how I came out of those struggles, and what I am currently struggling with, and how I intend to come out of these struggles. So help me God, it works, right? So if this is something you're interested in, please do well to keep watching, and let's just get right into the video. My very first struggle was with views. So I remember when I posted my first video here on YouTube barely a year ago, and 10 people watched. When I got the first 10 views, I was ecstatic. Like, 10 people, human beings, are watching what I did. So when it went to 20, 50, I was just over the moon. Like, but as time went on, I wanted more. It's normal for me to want more, right? So I wanted more. I kept looking out for more views. So I think my fourth video, or fifth, between my third to the fifth video, as in changed the game for me. I made the video of how to make this. I'm going to drop the video here, how to make this agbada, how to make this kimono dress, and that video literally blew up and it became a viral video. And the next videos after that, the views were now kind of high, even though they didn't go viral, but the views were like high. I started having more than 500 views within the first 3 days of posting and stuff like that. So it wasn't much of a struggle, but at least it was a struggle. Before I got that video, before I made that viral video, I needed views. I was like, when am I going to have more views and stuff like that? So I struggled with views. I just created a very good content that went viral, and that's helped my views for a while until until I'm going to leave it at the end, or towards the end of this video, when I'm talking about something else more, so you get it. The second thing I struggled with was with my subscriber. I wanted more. Like, just like when I posted my first video, getting the first 10, 20 views, 50 views was kind of like top of the moments for me. Also, when it came to subscribers, I wanted more. When I started getting 10, 20, I was excited as well. But over time again, just like my views, I wanted more subscribers. And still, that video, the one I talked about, the video, as the video was bringing in the views, it brought in the subscribers as well. So if I want to balance this, I'll say both the subscriber struggles and the view struggles. If you are able to create a very good content that people resonate with, or people are searching for or looking for, it should be able to help you with both your views and subscribers as well. So now, if you want to say, Thelma, how did you know you were supposed to shoot this video? Let me not lie to you, I don't know. I just wanted to create content for my channel, and I was even surprised when that particular video went viral. So if you just keep going, you never can tell. It could just be your next video. The next video you shoot might just be what will go viral, and it will help you sort your views and your subscribers. I hope that helps. So now, the third thing I struggled with was creating content consistently. It was not easy. I don't know if you can relate to this. If you can relate, please just tell me in the comment section, like, I can relate with your struggles. Just type there and say, I can relate with your struggles. So I struggled with staying consistent, because when I started this channel, I said that I was going to be uploading videos here twice a week. I think I even said 4 times a week. I said 4 times a week until I started creating the content, and I saw that how come nobody told me it wasn't easy to create stuff like this? So oh god, it wasn't easy. 4 times in a week was not feasible for me. Depends on the kind of content you are creating though, but I am talking more about the fashion niche. If you're in the fashion niche, if you're a fashion designer, a tailor, want to create content around sewing videos, tutorials and stuff like that, so I'm dedicating these videos to you. Shout out. So creating tutorial videos was not easy. I couldn't do 4 times in a week. It just was not feasible. So I first brought it down to 2 times in a week. It still was not working for me, so I just felt like, okay, let me do once in a week. And I think that is the minimum. So if you want to grow your channel, you just have to do minimum once in a week. That was what I settled for at that time. So my content became consistent. I was posting consistently once in a week until I went back to school. I went back to a fashion school again to just further just go and get certification, see what is happening in the fashion world, and just do something for myself. And schoolwork became so demanding. Everything was just too much that I could not keep up with uploading once in a week here. It wasn't easy, so I had to leave the channel for a while. I think I left my channel because my course was 6 months. For 7 months I wasn't really consistent here. I was just coming in to do a little that I can, so it just wasn't working, and I just left the channel for a while. But that viral video I talked about earlier on kept bringing in the views and kept bringing in the subscribers. Again, I left my channel when I was, I think, 400 subscribers. I stopped uploading when I was 400 subscribers, and by the time I got back to my channel again last month, which is April 2024, my channel already was, I think, 1,000 subscribers, or 900 and something subscribers. 900 and maybe 900 and 950 subscribers. Then when I started posting again, my subscribers count started increasing again. So that video and other videos as well, other videos are doing well, but that video is just doing better. So it kept bringing in the subscribers, kept bringing in the views and stuff like that. So staying consistent, I'll say look for what works for you. If it's once in a week, minimum once in a week should be what you should be posting on your channel to grow. And you just need to keep going. You never can tell if the next video you're going to make will be the one that will just go viral and bring in all the subscribers and stuff that you want. May God help our hustle. One thing I struggled with, and it's something I am still struggling with, is my watch hour. So when I started this channel, I started with the mindset of I'm going to do everything I can do, and I'm going to allow you to do its thing. I'm not going to pressure myself. I'm not going to just think about it too much. I'm just going to do my thing and have fun with it. That was the intention, which is a very good thing. So because when I hear people talk about YouTube is hard, YouTube is difficult and stuff like that, I don't get to feel that pressure, because I told myself I was going to take my time, which is a good thing. But at the same time, I think it's not so good, because it made me so relaxed and I didn't look out for certain things I was supposed to look out for. For example, I thought that, okay, when I get to 3,000 watch hour or 4,000 watch hour, I was going to be monetized. So I was just like, let me take my thing until I get there. But I did not know that it has to be within a year, within 365 days. So if I had really looked at it, if I was saying, okay, let me put a little pressure on myself, maybe I would have been able to see that important details or get to know about that important stuff and really work on it to ensure that I meet up with those thresholds. But because I felt no stress, I'm not going to disturb myself, I'm not going to stress it out, I missed that real or basic information. So what it is now, currently I have 2,500 watch hours, 2,500 plus watch hours, and in 7 days from now my channel will be 1 year old. So it's either I get the remaining 1,500 watch hours between now and the next 7 days, or I'm going to start again. But it is what it is. That is what it is. So this is the struggle I am currently facing. I want to get 1,500 watch hours between now and the next 7 days. So what I intend to do is to upload videos on this channel every day for the next 7 days. It's going to be hard, yes, but it's something I am willing to do to get the results I want to get right now. So I don't know how it's going to work. I am positive. I'm just like, okay, let me create videos, let me post something here on this channel every day for the next 7 days and see if it's going to increase my watch hours. If I can get minimum 250 watch hours per video, I'll be able to hit my target of 1,500 watch hour in the next 6 days. So that is the goal, that is the intention. I hope I'm able to hit this goal, and if I don't, well, we're going to start again. We're just going to do what we have to do. I pray I meet it, but if I don't, it's fine as well. So you can help me meet this goal or hit this target, hit this goal by watching my videos. Please do well to watch my videos. Help me watch my videos, and let's see how it goes. I promise to come back here and share how it went, if I was able to meet up with this goal, if I was able to do. I'm going to share everything, this current challenge I am in. I'm going to talk about the process and what came out of it. So if that is something you want to see in the future, please do well to subscribe to the channel, watch this video to the end, turn on your bell notification, and so you don't miss my upcoming video. Thank you for watching for now, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Yeah, because this is the first one that will go out. The next one will be out tomorrow. Until then, bye for now.